In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add pricing plans on your Wix website. To begin, open your Wix site editor so you are working directly inside the website you want to update. Once you are in the editor, go to the Pages and Menu section. This is where you can access the different pages connected to your site and move between them easily. From there, select the Pricing Plans page. If you already have this page set up, opening it will take you straight to the area where your pricing content is displayed. After the Pricing Plans page is open, click on the Pricing Plans widget on the canvas. The canvas is the main editing area where you can see the actual layout of your page. Selecting the widget is important because it gives you access to the controls for that specific section. Once it is selected, click Settings. This is where Wix gives you options to manage how the Pricing Plans section appears and functions on your website. Next, move to the Layout tab. In this section, you can choose the grid arrangement style for your pricing plans. This affects how the plans are organized on the page and how visitors will view them. For example, the grid style can help make your plans look cleaner and easier to compare at a glance. As you switch between layout options, pay attention to how the plans are spaced and aligned. Choose the arrangement that fits the overall style of your website and makes the information easy to read. After that, click on the Design tab. This is where you can customize the visual style of your pricing plans in more detail. Here you can change things like fonts, colors, and button borders. These design settings help you match the pricing section to the rest of your site, so everything feels consistent and professional. When adjusting fonts, make sure they stay readable. When changing colors, try to keep enough contrast so your text and buttons stand out clearly. If you are editing button borders, use a style that fits your brand without making the page feel too busy. Once you finish those updates, review the section on the page to make sure everything looks balanced and easy to understand. A clean layout and clear design can make a big difference in how visitors interact with your pricing plans. That covers everything you need to know.